So we just regret to inform that Mrs. Akram has been declared dead at 9:20 a.m. this morning. She died of a cardiac arrest because of refractory severe shock.
The death of Huma Akram has saddened the cricketing world.
Filmy drama and sparks.
The wife of legendary cricketer and former captain Wasim Akram died on Sunday in the Indian city of Chennai after succumbing to multiple organ failure. Following news of her death, Wasim Akram's brother Naeem spoke to media in Lahore, providing details of her death.
गलती हमारे डॉक्टर्स की है जिन्होंने परमिशन दी ट्रैवल करने की। इनको कंडीशन का कितनी क्रिटिकल है पता होना चाहिए था। इनसे 100 दफ़ा पूछा, इन्होंने इजाज़त दी तो लेके गए ना पेशेंट को। तो वो 2 घंटे बाद ही जब लेके सिंगापुर जाना था, जहाज़ जब इंडिया के ऊपर था तो वहीं उनको कार्डियक अरेस्ट हुआ।
Former Pakistan captain Inzamam ul Haq paid tribute to Huma, calling her an inspirational lady.
नहीं, बड़ी ज़बरदस्त खातून थी कि वसीम भाई हमारे बड़े थे, जिस तरह सीनियर थे, जिस समय उनकी शादी हुई तो वो भी हमारी बड़ी थी कि और उन्होंने हमारा बड़ों की तरह ही ख्याल रखा कि जिस समय हम टीम में साथ थे। और हमारा ये कि जी ताल्लुक़ ये नहीं है कि जी क्रिकेट खेलने के बाद ख़त्म हो गया, बल्कि और ज़्यादा हो गया था ताल्लुक़, घर में आना जाना। और बड़ी ज़बरदस्त खातून थी, लेकिन बहरहाल जी सारों ने इस दुनिया से जाना है। अब ये है कि अल्लाह जो उनकी आखिर की जो उनसी मंजिलें वो आसान करे।
Pakistan's middle order batsman Faisal Iqbal also added his condolences.
I think it's a great loss for Wasim Bhai and his family, and I think my sympathies are always with them and their families. And we have toured a couple of times with the Pakistan team, and she was with Wasim Bhai, and we know her on the tours. She was a very nice lady, and I hope Allah rest her soul in peace.
Former Test cricketer Kiran Baloch expressed her shock over Huma's untimely death.
She was a very lively and a warm person, and I think whoever met her for the first time, she always left an impact on their person, and she was a very strong woman. And I think it's I cannot put this loss into words, and my heart goes out to Wasim Akram, Huma's children, her parents and her sisters and brothers.
Huma Akram was 42. She leaves behind 2 sons aged 12 and 8, and her funeral is expected to take place in Lahore on Monday.